Hello everybody. Today we are going to study direct and indirect speech. So how to change statements, how to change declarative sentence from direct to indirect speech. You will study that. There are 3 rules while changing from direct to indirect statements like sentences. First rule is change of tense. Be very careful. Please listen to me very carefully. I have prepared the PPT very nicely so that you can understand everything clearly. So, note if the reporting verb in the direct speech statement is in present tense or in future tense, then the indirect speech changing will remain the same. You will not change. There will be no change of tense. Now, what is the reporting verb? The reporting verb is my friend says. My granny will say. That is the reporting verb. So, you see, when it is in present tense, when this reporting verb is in present tense and future tense, then the verbs don't change when they are changed in the indirect speech. Then the tenses don't change. The tenses remain the same. Like you see over here. My friend says he is very handsome. My friend says that. We use that. He is very handsome. We use that in statement. Okay? My granny will say, you need to eat well. Then we say, my granny will say that you need to eat well. There is some disturbance with my AZ screen recorder. Please tolerate that. If the reporting verb is in past tense, in the indirect speech statement, then the verbs within the inverted commas will change in the indirect speech like that. You see over here, am, is will become was, are will become were, do, does will become did, have or has will become had, will become would, can will become could. If the reporting verb in the past tense is in the direct speech statement and then the verb within the inverted comma will change in the indirect speech statement like this. Is, am will become was, are will become were, does will become did, has will become had, will become would, can will become could. So, direct speech and indirect speech. Indirect speech is also known as reported speech. So, we have to take care of the tenses now as we are talking about rule number 1, that is tense. So, simple present tense changes to simple past. So, if the reporting verb is Meera said, now Meera said is what reporting verb? Past tense. So, there the tense will change. Meera said that she went to school. Simple past changes to past perfect. They said we went at work. They said that they had gone at work. Now, went changes to had gone. Continuous, present continuous changes to past continuous. Meera said, I am going to school. Meera said that she was going to school. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect. So, see, past perfect, 2 changes take place. Simple past also changes to past perfect and present perfect also changes to past perfect. See the example over here again. They said, we have finished the work. They said that they had finished the work. Now, past perfect does not change to any other tense. Past perfect will remain past perfect only. Like you see this example. He said, I had gone there. He said that he had gone there. Future will change to would conditional. Kea said, I will come on Monday. Kea said that she would come on Monday. Now, models, this can changes to could, may changes to might. See over here, again I have made over here. She said, I can go to the party tonight. Now she said that she could go to the party that night. So here, if that is not used, that does not mean that it is a wrong sentence. If you do not use with the models, there is no problem there. You can say like that. The kids said, we may go to school. The kids said that they might go to school. Or you can also say the kids said they might go to school. Rule 2, changes of pronouns. Now you know what are pronouns, no? So we will see personal pronouns change according to person formula. First person, second person, third person. First person is subject, second person is object, and third person no change. So if subject of the quoted words is in first person, then it will change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Okay, he said to her, I like coffee. He said to her that. Now that subject of the reporting verb is he, that will come here. So he said to her, I like coffee. Now he told her. When it will change to told her? It will change to told her when there is, in the reporting verb, there is subject, verb and object. Now you note there is a subject, verb and object in the direct speech. He said to her. Now he is subject, said is object, said is verb and her is object. So there the changes take place to told. Told her that he liked coffee. Personal pronoun change according to. If subject of the quoted word is in second person, then it will change according to the object of the reporting verb. So, he said to her, you look happy. Now, this reporting verb object is who? Her. So, that you will become her. Her will turn to she as a subject. He told to her that she looked happy. Now you note over here that he said to her, you. So that is second person object. So that will become she in the indirect speech. If the subject of the quoted words is in third person, then there will be no change. It will remain as it is. So he said to him, she has already left. He told him that she had already left. So other changes will take place. But the pronouns, how the changes will take place, please note down these rules which are written. Please note them down in your copy. Okay. Now subject of the first person, I will become he or she. Me will become him or her. My will become his or her. We will become they. Us will become them. Our will become their. Subject, first person. I have made some examples. Let us go through that. He said, I went to consult my parents. He said that he went to consult his parents. You can also change this to past perfect, like he said that he had gone to consult his parents. Mona said, I went to consult my parents. Mona said that she went to consult her parents. Boys said, we went to consult our parents. So the boys said that they went to consult their parents. You can use had gone also. Second person object. You will change to he, she. Your will change to his, her. You will change to him, her. Singular. You plural will change to they. Your plural will change to their. You plural will change to them. For example, Anil said to Meena, your parents are waiting for you. Anil told Meena that her parents were waiting for her. Anil said to Yogi, your parents are waiting for you. Anil told Yogi that his parents were waiting for him. I have made different examples of male, female so that you get to know how the changes are taking place. Arrow marks are also there. Your changes to his. See the first one, your changes to her because it is Meena and here it is Yogi, it's a male. So Anil said to them is plural, your parents are waiting for you. So Anil told them that their parents are waiting for them. Change in the adverbs, that is the rule 3 of place and time. So today changes to that day, these changes to those, now becomes then, here becomes there, tomorrow becomes next day, yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day, last year becomes the year before, tonight becomes that night, this becomes that, thus becomes so. So one more example. He said, I shall discuss this matter next week. He said that he would discuss the matter the following week. That matter the following week. This matter will change to that matter. Next will change to following. So this is the way to change the indirect speech adverbs. So she said, we shifted to this house 2 weeks ago. She said that they had shifted to that house 2 weeks before. With this, we come to an end of the first rule, second rule and third rule of direct indirect speech in declarative sentence. In the next YouTube module, I will discuss with you about interrogative sentence. Thanks to all of you.